Citrus is one of my kitchen staples. I use the juice, I use the zest, but Chef Bruce Coleman is here to show me how to use the entire fruit, really maximize the whole fruit.
Totally. That's kind of the definition of sustainability, right? Is use the entire thing. In a restaurant setting, we squeeze to order, and then we save all the skins at the end of the night. So Brandy, it's really simple. Like you take all of the juiced lemons, and all you do is add sugar and salt, equal parts. There's a million variations. You can add spices too, and then toss them in the salt and sugar like this. And then we're just gonna pack them into a jar.
Okay, so
Toss,
I'll
toss.
help do all this fun stuff.
There you go.
Okay.
And what I'll do also is as we put them in, we'll throw a little more salt and sugar as we go. And wait until you see what it turns into. You're not gonna believe it. And then we'll top it
I'll hold it down.
a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
And that's it. We'll seal the jar up. And this is gonna sit on the shelf now for about a week.
That's it?
Yeah, if you leave it at room temperature. And it
No
turns into this.
way.
All of the sugar and
Before
salt
and
liquefies,
after.
right?
And so you would
Yep.
just chop this up, put it into your dish.
Yeah, you clean it off. It might be a little bitter like that. Like you clean off all of this pith.
What I'm seeing is like edible gifts. I feel
Totally.
like this is such a cool way if someone is a great cook or they like to spend time in the kitchen, making them their own custom preserves, adding a little tag, personalizing it. Well, for more citrus hacks from Chef Bruce Coleman, head on over to sunkist.com/recipes.